This is the setup we have at the moment. You can see the tomatoes are looking pretty good there in their Dutch buckets, the tall ones. These are small ones that we've just put in recently of a different variety. But you can see the big ones are looking pretty good. They've been in the Dutch buckets now for a fortnight. This variety is called truss because the fruit grows in bunches of 6 to 8 tomatoes, not like the usual varieties where the fruits grow individually or in small bunches. These couple of Dutch buckets have got Lebanese cucumbers in them. You can see that they're watering at the moment. You can see the nutrient running into the bucket. We use scoria as a medium. It's reusable. We take it out each year and clean it and then put it back in again. Use it once again. That's the tomatoes along there. They're looking pretty good. Truss tomatoes are the predominant supermarket and greengrocer variety of tomatoes in Australia. A large pot of parsley there with big heads on it. Our rail system with lettuce. They've been in there about 2.5 weeks now. They'll be picked in about another week and a half. They usually mature in 30 days. We collect all our own seed each year for the following year's crops. Our second last cauliflower from our winter veggies coming along. They'll probably be picked in a couple of weeks' time. More small tomato plants we're growing for other people. And here's some more over here. They're looking very good. Coming along nicely. Truss tomato plants. So we're about to start putting in the next couple of Lebanese cucumber seedlings into the Dutch bucket system. These are the plants that we're going to put in. Those ones there. These 3 large plants here, pumpkins.